In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the hotspot feature in your Google Pixel device. By following these steps, you'll be able to share your mobile data with other devices, allowing for convenient internet access on the go. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Google Pixel. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you've opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Network and Internet. Tap on this option to proceed. After selecting it, you will see a list of options including hotspot and tethering. Tap on hotspot and tethering to access the necessary hotspot settings. Before continuing, ensure that your mobile data is turned on, as this is essential for sharing your internet connection. Next, you will need to enable the hotspot feature, locate the toggle switch for the Wi-Fi hotspot option. This toggle is typically positioned at the top of the screen. Tap the toggle to switch it on, which activates the hotspot. You will also see options to customize your hotspot, including setting a unique hotspot name and a strong password. It is important to create a secure password to prevent unauthorized access to your connection. Once you have configured these settings, your hotspot is ready for other devices to detect. After enabling the hotspot, use another device to connect to your Google Pixel's hotspot. On the other device, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and search for available networks. Your hotspot should appear in the list of networks identified by the name you set earlier. Select your hotspot from the list and enter the password you created. Once the correct password is entered, the device should connect successfully to your hotspot, granting it access to your mobile data. In the hotspot settings, you can also monitor connected devices and track data usage. This feature allows you to see which devices are currently connected to your hotspot. Keeping an eye on this can help you manage your data effectively. It is advisable to turn off the hotspot when it is not in use to conserve battery life on your Google Pixel. This will also help in managing your mobile data usage more efficiently. And there you have it. You have now successfully activated and connected devices to the hotspots on your Google Pixel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.